there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so excited that you're visiting today. So as you can see, I have all the cleaning detergents out. So that's what we're going to talk about today in this video. I'm going to show you all the cleaning products that I use to maintain my house clean. There is a few, you don't need that many cleaning products to maintain a house clean. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I pull out all the cleaning products that I use. As you can see, there are not that many. I usually buy the cleaning products at Costco because they have a better price because they sell them in bulk. So I'm going to start in this corner and then we're moving that way to show you what I use and what I use it for to clean. So the first that I use to clean, I buy this duster heavy duty Swiffer. They come with this handle and you put the little Swiffer. And you can clean all the plantation shutters, all the baseboards, and I have a longer attachment that I use. Also, this extend all the way so you can clean up like chandeliers, you can clean the crown molding. Other item that I love to use to remove the dust from furniture is the end dust. I usually spray the end dust on the furniture and I use a microfiber cloth. This microfiber cloth, I have them in different colors. They're great to clean windows, to clean furniture, to whatever detergent that you use, either the end dust or the glass cleaner that I'm going to show you later. But these are great. Other item that I love using that is very old fashioned is all English. I remember my mother using this product in our house when we were younger. All English comes in clear color, like lighter color, and also dark. I have the dark and I use it for my dark furniture. I usually dab a little bit of the liquid using the paper towel. I love to use the Caroline paper towels. They come in bulk. That's another cleaning product that I love using and I buy it in bulk. So I dab a little bit of that all English on the furniture and it really disguises any scratches. It's fantastic and at the same time also polish the furniture. Other item that I love to use is this Bar's Keeper Friend. I have a cast iron sink. I like to use it, it's very gentle and I use it in the kitchen. And also I have the color cast iron cleaner that is similar to the Bar's Keeper. This is designated mainly for that sink that I have. So this one I got it at Amazon. So these, both of them work great. I cannot alternate. If I run out of these, I usually use this one. Other item that I love using in the kitchen and in the bathrooms is the Lysol disinfecting wipes. I usually alternate. I usually use Lysol or the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I usually buy the one that is usually on sale, and I get this at Costco on sale. They have the bulks, and sometimes they run great sales, like $3-4 off. So I usually stock on them. These are great. They're individually, and they're great to clean the surfaces. I usually clean all my countertops in my kitchen with this after every day. I usually use it to clean all the toilet outside of the toilet and also the surfaces in the bathroom. It's fantastic. And some of them are coming now in different scents like coconut or lavender. So look for those. They're great and they smell very nice. Item that I love is this brush that is to remove the hair from furniture, from clothes. I love this. For those who have dogs, I have a little dog and she sheds and it's very hard to take the hair from the couch. So I use this and it works great. So this is highly recommended. Moving on to other products, I have a variety of them because I usually alternate them depending on what is on sale. I like this Lysol. It's called the Brand New Day. It's a coconut scent. And it's an all-purpose cleaner. I usually use it for the countertops, the kitchen, in the bathroom. It works great. Also, you can use this one. Is the Lysol all-purpose cleaner with the lemon scent. This one is really good for the kitchen, but it works also in the bathroom. So I usually alternate. And also the same one, I use the the one specific, the Clorox bathroom disinfectant cleaner, I usually spray all the tiles in the wall and let it sit for a while, and then scrub them with a brush that I will show you later, the brush that I've used, and it works really, really good. And also the Lysol. So like I said, I use Lysol and Clorox products, I alternate them depending on what is on sale. Also this one, the Lysol powder bathroom foamer. This has a foam, so I usually put it on the glass door, on the tiles, on the wall, and I let it sit for a while and then scrub it and rinse it, and it works really, really good. And what I really love to clean the floor on the bathroom, I have a big shower and it has old tiles. This Comet Bleach works fantastic. Usually you spray it on the floor, it's a powder, you add water and you scrub it with the brush, and the grout comes perfect. It's really, really good. It removes all the dirt and soft scum. Another multi-surface cleaner that I use when it's on sale at Costco is Mrs. Meyer's. This is all purpose everyday cleaner. It's really good. I like to use it again also on the counters to clean around, but I usually alternate. I don't buy all of them. I bought them this time so I can show you what I alternate. But all these in here, they were really, really good. And to clean the windows, I use this glass. On any glass, I use this glass cleaner. This is great to clean the windows and also to clean the mirrors in the bathroom. I usually use the microfiber cloth, spray it and clean it, and it works really well. It's great for the sliding doors that I have. I have a big sliding door going into the lanai, so this works fantastic. It's really, really good. And the same company makes the spray for stainless steel. So I use this to clean my kitchen, refrigerator, the stove, and the microwave, and also the dishwasher. The same thing, I use the microfiber cloth, spray it on the appliances, and it works really good. And to clean the oven, I usually have my oven is a self-cleaning oven, but it really heats, and I'm afraid that it will cause a fire. I have heard, that sometimes it can cause a fire. So I use this Easy Off degreaser, and it works really good. Also, sometimes if I cook a lot on my cooktop, I usually spray it and wipe it down with a paper towel, and it works really, really good. Moving on with the products, these are kind of like a laundry and appliances cleaners. I got this at Amazon, and it comes like with 24 tablets. This is a tablet to use to clean HE washer machines. Once a month, I drop this tablet inside the washer machine and I put it on the cleaning cycle, and it really cleans really well. And I use it together with this. I have a front load washing machine, and to prevent any mold, I do two things. Every time that I finish a load, I always leave the door open. By that, all the water will dry and mold will not be created. But to prevent also, I use this mold stain remover. So I put it around the rubber outside, and then put it at the same time as I'm doing the cleaning, and the washing machine looks fantastic. It's really good. Other thing that I use is this Afresh. It comes in a 12-month package. I usually buy them in Amazon, and they have the 12 months. By that, I remember myself to every month clean it. So this is for the dishwasher. It also works really well. And for the food trash compactor, I have these pouches that I put I use this more often, like every 2 weeks or so. I add one of these pouches as per instructions, and it cleans the trash compactor. By that, your trash compactor doesn't smell, and it works really good too. So all these things, they have them in the store, but I usually buy them at Amazon. And again, this is not sponsored by Amazon. And moving on, other thing that I buy at Costco sell the Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy. I buy them in these large packets, and they're great. By that I have, and these ones I throw them away often, so by that they won't get any bacteria or so. And sometimes I even put them The one that I use in the sink, I usually put them with the dishes at night on the sanitized mode, so by that they get clean and they last a little bit longer. So these are great to clean the sink, to use to clean the tubs and the sinks in the bathroom. So I have designated colors for bathrooms and kitchens. By that I don't interchange, so I'm not moving bacteria and microbes between the kitchen or the bathroom into the kitchen. So this is great. Also, use the color coding. Other thing that I really love to clean the toilet is the toilet Clorox with the refills. I hate to have a toilet cleaner that is disgusting. When you brush that has so many bacteria and germs. This one, you just use one and then throw it away. And the one, you can use a cloth wipe. Actually, I use a cloth wipe to disinfect it and put it away. So it works really good. I really love it. Other thing that I keep handy is Clorox. Clorox, as a healthcare provider, I always use Clorox in the laboratory to disinfect all the surfaces. So I usually, every 6 months or so, I deep clean my bathrooms. And I have a video on how I deep clean my bathroom in Massachusetts, in my house in Massachusetts, so you can watch it. I will link it in this video. So this, I usually dilute it, 1 in 10 dilution. So it's 9 parts of water and 1 part of the Clorox. So it's like 9 mLs of water and 1 ml of bleach. And I put in a spray bottle and I spray everything, all the toilet inside and out, all the countertops in the kitchen, in the bathroom, the toilet seat, the shower, and let it sit and then rinse it. This is important that you use it, and also anything that has bleach, you have to use it in a well ventilated area, and wear gloves because they are strong chemicals, but they work really good. I really love them. So this one I always keep it handy. And now let me show you the brush that I use to clean the bathrooms. This brush I got it on Amazon. It's really good. It scrubs very well the floor, all the tiles, and also the glass enclosure. It expands and compacts depending on what you want to clean. This is great to scrub the floor and also all the walls of the bathroom. And last but not least is this LVP floor cleaner. When we moved into this house, I searched the brand of this LVP floor, and they recommended this floor cleaner. Once every 2 weeks or so, I use my mop to put all this cleaner after I have mopped it with my Taneco water. This floor LVP is waterproof, so I use my vacuum mop, the Taneco, that it works amazing. And after that is dry, I go with a Lickman mop and I mop this liquid all over the floor to keep the texture and the condition on the floor optimal. So this is great, but again, this is specific for this kind of floor that I have. All right, so my friends, this is all the products that I use. My house is always spick span clean. You have to keep it up, but like you see, you don't have to have that many detergents to keep a house clean. So I recommend you try these ones, see what you like, add to the ones, and if you have any other product that you like, please leave it in the description below and I will try it. So my friends, this is another video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. And if you like the video, please kindly subscribe and watch the Clean With Me videos that I have attached at the end of this video. I'll see you next time. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage.